Dear student, here I am going to discuss about your science formative assessment. Like first formative assessment, this one also you need to do in your big interleaf binding notebook. Okay? So the first page will be like this as you are getting on the screen. You will give the heading formative assessment 2020 and then you will mention your name, class, section, roll number, subject, topic and method. See, subject, topic and method already I have mentioned. So you will copy like this way. Don't forget to put your roll number. It is very important. Now come to the second page where you are going to give a introduction about your project. So your topic we have given as a liver. So you need to give the introduction of liver and its importance in your daily life. So in the second page you are going to write about the liver. You will give a small definition of liver along with its importance in your daily life. Third page where you are going to mention the different types of liver. So the heading will be types of liver. And here you will write the name of each type of liver by putting the number. Number 1, first class liver. Number 2, second class liver, like this way. Come to the next page, which will be considered as a fourth page where you are giving the heading identification of types of liver. And here you are going to mention each and every type of liver along with example. So in the fourth page, first you were starting with the first class liver. In this first class liver, you have to state about the first class liver with the example. Am I clear to you? So you are writing a small definition or brief definition about the first class liver and one example which you are getting from your surrounding. After that, in this page only, you will draw the pictures for the example that you have selected. So here, first class liver, a very brief definition, then the example and the diagram of the example. Next page, give the heading second class liver, same brief definition along with the example and diagram. Next page, third class liver, the heading will come like this way along with the brief definition and example with the diagram. You can use any color pen, it may be the sketch pen, glitter pen, whatever you have. But don't make your copy as a drawing copy. Am I clear to you? So children, I hope you all have understood about your science formative assessment. All the best for you. Thank you children.